Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your thread account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for the thread, open that and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars on the top, two bars on the top right and click on account, and here you can see two options, take a break and deactivate. Click on that. So basically this is the temporary option that you want to deactivate your thread profile, and here you can see deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile thread replies and likes will be hidden until you reactive by logging back in. So learn more about how to delete your account. So click here, and here you need to scroll down. So here you can see that since Thread is powered by Instagram, in order to delete your Thread profile and data, you will have to delete your Instagram account. Note that we are looking into a way to delete your Thread profile separately. So currently there is no method possible that you can only delete your Thread app. So if you want to delete your Thread account, you basically need to delete your Instagram account as well, because Thread is powered by Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.